nti abamawulire tubaagala buli balamu. Embeera bw'ogiraba nti eyinza okukwako akanyamberege, lema kugamba nti ejaketi eneekutaasa kubanga kuliko yubisi oba kuliko ki. Omusajja bw'abanga embeera yatabuse oyinza okukakkana. Oli yagamba nanga nti omuntu nga yatabuse ng'enjala yamulumye, oyinza okukakkana nga mmoga amulidde n'okutibwamu. Therefore, be careful as you are delivering and deliberating on your duties, so that at least you keep your what? Whatever happens, mind your what? Mind your head.
Munnamawulire or a journalist is a communicator, whether with a pen, with the mouth, or the camera. When you are righteous, your communication will bring life. That's in Proverbs. I'll also refer you to the book of Ephesians, chapter 4, verse 29. Let no corrupt talk come out of your mouth, but only such as is good for building up, as fits the occasion, that it may give grace to those who hear. End of quote. From 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 16. Live as people who are free, not using your freedom as a cover-up for evil, but living as servants of God. Lastly, from the Holy Scripture, Proverbs 31, verse 8 to 9. Open your mouth for the mute, for the rights of all who are destitute. Open your mouth, judge righteously, defend the rights of the poor and the needy. End of quote. Congratulations for World Press Freedom Day. I wish to state a fact, and this goes to the President of Uja, who is wondering why the audience is this small. There is no free press in the world. The press serves either the dominant interest, business, or personal selfish interest. And once you understand those, you can never be hurt that people have not lived to your expectations. Number two, in response to your lamentation, if I may use the word, read Jeremiah 17, verse 9. The heart is deceitful. Who can know it? God asks. So if God knows that we are deceitful, why would you be surprised that on an occasion like this one, you don't have all the big cameras facing the pulpit? It allows for the free exchange of information and ideas, holding those in power accountable. The importance of press freedom cannot be overemphasized. Can you imagine a world or life without TV, papers, radio? The world would be in darkness. Not even what you are doing here would be known. So, the press is a very important factor in society. It enables citizens to make informed decisions. It promotes transparency and accountability in government and other institutions. It supports the uncovering of corruption and abuse of power. It fosters public debate. You referred to him inviting Umushada. You didn't talk about Nambozi. It encourages diverse perspectives and viewpoints. Dean, my childhood ambition was to be a news anchor, because I used to hear the late Damulia Christopher, who had a voice like Zambari, and the Danny Chaze. And each time I came across an old newspaper, I would pick it and pretend I am one of those. I'm only a Gagano, Gagaba Sumula Danny Chaze. And you know, I would go through that. Unfortunately, that dream was cut short when a soldier beat me at the age of 14. I promised God that I had to rescue that uniform so that my son is not beaten at the age of 14. And here I am. Without application, I'm in charge of coordinating the military with the public. It means it was God's plan for me to serve him in this position. Violence and intimidation against journalists. I'm not shy about it. It is there. But it's a product of several factors. A, ignorance on the part of those you're interacting with. B, guilt conscience. When somebody knows he or she has not done the right thing. But C, excitement on the part of the journalist. Supporting press freedom. Protecting journalists and media outlets from harm and intimidation is the responsibility of all of us, the practitioners, government, and society. Advocating for policies and laws that support press freedom is a cardinal principle. Promoting media literacy and critical thinking.
By supporting journalists, the army and the police can help promote transparency, accountability, and truth as we serve.
Regarding low payment, there's a time when some staff from a certain TV station came to petition the Archbishop that they had spent about 7 months without pay, because they knew the Archbishop knew closely the owner of the station. We are concerned about the low payment of the journalists. We are also concerned about the hostile working environments. We are aware that journalism is not a crime. We would want to have a favorable working environment where the journalists and the government work closely to bring information to people.
We have become too selfish. It is about me, the individual. Me. Katonda basitulamanyi kukola. Njagala kulaba kyamusituddemu akikozesa okuyamba abalala. And we cannot be there saying government. We must generate internal mechanisms that can support and sustain our being. And that conversation cannot